Alright guys, check this out. I got a special recipe here, or not recipe, special review. This here is, check this out, Asian Choice, a cooked Peking duck frozen. You can buy this at the local Asian grocery store. So I wanted to see what it was like. So I'm going to do a quick taste test and a review of this for you guys. So you get 300-gram duck, and this was pretty inexpensive. This was on sale, so I never usually buy this, but it was on sale. So that's what you get. And then what you do is you put the duck in the oven. It says for the instructions, duck in the oven, and then you just make the pancakes sort of those little wrap things that you see in the front. You just defrost those, and then you're good to go. So this is the nutrient content. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And here are the ingredients. So here it's got a half roasted duck, all that right in there. So, you know, there is flour in there, but I don't see anything else that's bad in duck. Look, it's just herbs. The bigger thing is in the duck sauce if you're worried about sugar. So there you go. Let's open this up. Here's the sauce. Oh, check this out. This is the duck. It's ready to go. You can see the fat from the duck in there. So what you want to do is, you're supposed to, in the ingredients, you're supposed to, or in the instructions, you're supposed to remove the duck from the packaging and then just put it onto a baking pan. Okay, so I'm going to do that later. And these are the wraps. So you just defrost these and you're good to go. So, alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, there you go guys. I have put it right on the baking pan there. It's frozen, as you can see, all the oil. And then put it in the oven and I'll be back. I'll do a quick taste test when it's all done. So here is the duck, all done up, as you can see. And that is the wraps there. So I'm going to wrap it up and do a quick taste test. So stay tuned. So here's the taste test. As you can see, here's the duck. Here's the wrap that I got it in. So I got them both together. So traditionally you'll put things like any celery or onion, green onions in there as well. So, but I don't have any of that. So let's try this out though. I didn't use the duck sauce because it's kind of sweet, but let's try this out without it. The duck is actually quite good. It's like any other duck, but the skin, of course, isn't really crispy, but for frozen, it actually turns out pretty good. The duck sauce is more of a hoisin sauce. I did taste it. It is on the sweet side, but other than that, it's pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.